On the daily total column, if you click on the top cell, it shows a formula up here. This shows the formula to add the total. You notice it says make a sum of columns D3 to column K3. That's what you have now. We want to change it so it adds all the way up to column N. When we change the formula, the total changes. Now we need to change all the other cells in the total column, so each cell will add up columns D through N. We do that by highlighting the first cell in the total column. You notice there is a little dot in the bottom right corner of the cell. When we put our mouse over it, the cursor changes. We don't want this cursor and we don't want that cursor. We want the cursor that is a black cross. Now we drag the cross down through the entire column. This duplicates and automatically adjusts each one.